couple of 401ks from prior employers, and they were just kind of sitting out there. And I'm not really much of a stock market guy. You know, I'm kind of hands-off when it comes to that. So I just had a broker, Morgan Stanley or whoever, that was handling my money, and it really wasn't doing anything. And getting into real estate, I realized that I have an opportunity. Sense Financial kind of pointed me in this direction, that I could roll over those prior 401ks, get them into one account, and then I could invest into something tangible, and the return was more solid than I was getting in the stock market. So I thought, hey, this is a great way to diversify. I love real estate. Why not utilize my retirement account to do that? I didn't have a lot of cash when I didn't want to liquidate my entire IRA into the self-directed, so I kept some into the stocks, and then I created a self-directed and utilized the checkbook control with the LLC. I had about $40,000 to invest, and so Toledo, Ohio was a market where I could afford to buy. Got the LLC set up in Ohio, and then started working with vendor Jim Moody, and we looked at a few different properties, and he found one. We talked about it, and it looked like it was going to be a good deal. So then, I had my, Sense Financial along the way helped me get everything set up, and then so my funds were in my LLC and ready to go. Signed the purchase contract, executed, and sent the cash out there. Property manager got it set up, and I was cash flowing, right from day one. Sense Financial was a great company to work with to do this. I didn't know a lot about it, and I had a lot of questions, and they just really helped me along the way. If I ever needed to know something, I could pick up the phone, and they were always there to answer that question. They kind of kept it going because I'm busy, I've got a lot of things going on. They're kind of like, well, hey, you didn't get this back to us on time, and so then I was able to get through the transaction fairly quickly. And the best part I think about it is now that I'm done with it, I get updates from Sense Financial and Dimitri, kind of, make sure that you don't enter into a prohibited transaction, and you have to file this document at an ongoing basis. So it wasn't something like right away as soon as the transaction's over that I never heard from them again. We've kind of built this relationship with Sense Financial, and it's an ongoing thing. So even today, if I had a question, I know that I can just pick up the phone and say, hey, Dimitri, or whoever answered there, Sense Financial, I have a question about this, can you help me out? And I know that they're going to be there to do that for me. Definitely recommend speaking with Sense Financial and Dimitri. It's such a wealth of information, and the service is really inexpensive for what you actually get and the knowledge that you're going to gain from that. It's definitely a good way for you to take control of your retirement account, and a lot of people just don't know about the ability to buy real estate with your retirement account. So I definitely recommend utilizing the services of Sense Financial and Dimitri in order to really take control of your retirement account and be proactive, and make some money.